Well, hi there. This is Jacqueline with Nickel and Dime Decor, and thank you for joining me. And this is video number 3, part 3 of our Scrappy Quilt, an 80 by 80, and my colors are black, cream, and red. And I just wanted to give you an update on, we're cutting out 6-inch squares. We're putting a dark, medium, and a cream together, right sides together. Marking it, ready to sew. Let me get this. Marking it, ready to sew. We will trim corner to corner after it's sewn. And then you'll have a 5.5 inch square. 128 light, 128 medium dark. Okay, what I have discovered, and I just want to tell you this before we go any further, is that you have values of fabric, and it's amazing when you start putting things together how something sticks out at you. Well, my blacks that I had picked out to go with all of this have whites in them. And I never thought a thing about it. I thought, oh, it'll work. It's okay. It'll work. It's okay. Well, when I put that cream with it, no, it's not okay. What it looks like is that I tried to match a white with that and I missed the mark. It doesn't work. It doesn't bring this out, doesn't bring this out. It just doesn't work. Same for this. The whites on the black and the cream, it doesn't complement each other. Okay, I went and got some more fabric because I've cut all of my black and they all have white in them. Now, this is my new fabrics, and I hope you can see what I'm saying. Look how this complements. See how it complements that? It works. And even though this is called a scrappy quilt, we want it to be right. We want it to complement each other. If I would have gone ahead and put that black and white with that cream and put that quilt on that bed, I would have been very disappointed. So, here's my rule of thumb, according to Jacqueline, for what it's worth. If you have cream sashing, if you have cream lights in a block and medium darks, if you're going to put another color in those blocks, in the medium and dark, have it be cream. Cream, cream. If you use white as your other color, your lights, and you've got whites in it, it's great. It'll work. But if you're using a cream, you must put cream in your blacks and in your reds, what I'm using. I think if you sit down and put fabrics together, you'll see what I'm saying. We want it to complement each other and not be an eyesore and not look like we just were maybe colorblind and didn't know what we were doing. So remember that, okay? If you're going, and I'm going to put the camera down just a second, and see how even the red and the blacks now will go with it so nicely. Because see, it's all all complementary to each other. This is a cream. It's not white, it's cream. And it all just blends and works together very pretty. So let me get my camera and show you. I don't know that I have enough of the black, and if I don't, I'll just make more red ones. This is my stack that I'm not going to use. This is my new. It's got a big print. It's got a smaller print. This is a smaller flower. And then that black with cream. Isn't that gorgeous? And like I say, when you put your red and your cream with it, just going to work gorgeous. It's going to be very, very, very nice. Now, we'll put the camera down even more so. This is what I'm not going to use. This is my stack of what I've already got sewn together, cut, squared up, pressed, and ready to go. This is my next stack that I've got pinned together. My lines drawn, and then I will trim after I've sewn from corner to corner. And then this stack has been sewn and it's ready to trim. These have been cut, ready to press and to square up. So I have an assembly line going, and we're making progress, and it's gonna be so, so nice. And I'm so glad, so very glad that I discovered this before I went any further, because I would have been so disappointed. Because, well, I can't get my camera. I just did not think beforehand about it, but it matters, it really does. So I hope that's a lesson you can pick up on and use. And I thank you so much for watching me. I know it's a busy time of the year, and I know you've all got your hands full. But remember, God loves you. Okay? Bye.